If you watched our last video, you know that we had a huge bucket of strawberries that needed some tender care and love. If you haven't watched it, the link is in the description below. In this video, we will show you how we made 200 homemade strawberry gummy bears. We start out pureeing the strawberries until the liquid is nice and smooth and there are no lumps. And then we filter out any tiny solids like seeds. Now it's time to mix in all the ingredients. Keep whisking until everything is dissolved completely. Fill the molds and place them in the refrigerator. These gummy molds are the perfect size for our little one. The gummy bears should pop out easily from the mold. Please like and subscribe so you can be one of the first to see Little Red's Fruit Snack Challenge using these homemade gummy bears.